Good morning, students. Today we will study about the words I, we, you, she, he, it, and they. It is lesson 13 of English grammar. Students, to understand these words, we will read sentence. Mohit will go to Goa. Mohit will go by train. Next sentence is Mohit will go to Goa. He will go by train. Children, he is the word used in place of Mohit. Students, the words that used in place of a naming words are called pronouns. Children, for male names we use he and his. And for female names, we use she and her. Words like I, you, we, they can be used for both male and female names. And we use it for names of animals or objects. So children, the words that we used for naming words are pronouns, and the words I, you, she, he, it, they, we all are pronouns. And children, when we use these words in place of naming words, the sentence looks good. Like Mohit will go to Goa, Mohit will go by train, Mohit will visit there means again and again we are repeating the word Mohit. So it is not looking good. That's why we use the pronoun word he for Mohit. Students, it's time for exercise. Here, a exercise. What you supposed to do here? You have to take the correct word in the brackets. But for this, you have to read the sentence carefully. Children, there are two words in the bracket, she and I. Now you have to read the sentence. Have to catch the bus. Here, which word will come? Yes, I. I have to catch the bus. Next is, this is the house where we live. It is near a park. So you have to take in first bracket we and in second it. In third sentence, Rishi goes to the toy shop. Here Rishi is the name of the boy. So we will use he for him. He buys a toy car. So children, likewise you have to read the sentences and do this exercise. Students, we will do one more exercise in our next slide. Children, there is B exercise. Here the sentences are given as paragraph. So we have to read all the sentences carefully and fill in the blanks with I, we, you, she, he, it or they. Students, we all know that we use he, his for male names, she, her for female names, and we use it for animals or objects, and we, you, they for plurals. So, we will read the sentences. Aditi has a pet dog. Desh has a bushy tail. Now, who has a bushy tail? Pet dog. So, we will write here it. It, it. Desh loves her dog. Who loves her dog? Aditi. And we know Aditi is name of a girl. So, we will write here she. S-H-E. Next, her brother Hira also plays with it. Dash throws the ball and the dog brings it. Who throws the ball? Hira. Who is Hira? Aditi's brother. So we will write here he. He throws the ball and the dog brings it. Likewise, second, it is my birthday today. Mother bakes a cake. Dash cut the cake. Now whose birthday? My birthday. So who will cut the cake? I. I cut the cake. Dash also gives me a new toy. Now who has baked a cake? Mother. So Dash also means she also gives me a new toy. Father hugs me. Now father is a male name. Dash gives me a new pencil box. Who gives? He. And he we are using for father here. Dash both love me. Now it's time to use they. As she is talking for her father and mother both. So we will write here they. They both love me. We make a happy family. Here we is using for the girl, mother and father. Now children, exercise 3 and 4 you have to do on your own. We will do one more exercise in our next slide. Children, on this page we are having the same exercise like B. Here also you have to read the sentences that are given in a paragraph and fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. With first I'll help you. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. Meeta says, Dash will help you. I will help you, mother. Dash will wash the vegetables and fruits. We will wash the vegetables and fruits. Dash can eat the fruits together after some time. Now here we can eat the fruits together after some time. Mother smiles at Meena and says, Dash are a good girl. Here you are a good girl. I will need your help now. Bring the vegetables. They are in the basket. Now for whom we have used here they? Yes, for the vegetables. Second is Hari sees a cap seller. Dash says, Dash want a red cap. Now Hari is name of the boy. So he says, I want a red cap. Do Dash have one? Do you have one? The cap seller asks him. Do Dash want a big cap or a small one? Here again the word you will come. Do you want a big cap or a small one? Dash come in all size. Here they. And here we are using the word they for the caps. Hari takes a red cap and wears it. He feels happy. So students, like 1 and 2, you have to read 3. Teacher, where is Sonia? And you have to read the sentences and then fill the missing words. Students, in your notebooks, you have to write the lines which are given in yellow box on page number 40 and do a exercise in your notebooks. So children, the words I, we, you, she, he, it and they all are the words that we used in place of naming words. Do practice of it. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.